Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss include and exclude features of Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. We'll activate the stacked column chart. In x-axis, the subcategory is selected, and y-axis, the profit is selected, and legend segment is selected. Now activate the focus mode. Right-click on any data value. The options which are available are show data point as a table, show as a table, include, exclude, analyze, and summarize. We will start with the first point, show data point as a table. This will display the data in a table. Again, click on back to report, activate the focus mode, right click, show as a table. Now this will display the chart and the table simultaneously. Now again click on any data point. So we are having include. This means that those data points which we want to include in our chart, let's say we want to do the multiple selections. This can be done with the help of Control tab. So, 1, press Control tab. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We only want these charts to be displayed or this data points to be displayed. Right click on it. Include. So you can see here. Now at any moment of time, you want to go to the original data, just press Ctrl Z. So that was the option of include. Now we don't want to include the negative values, which means the losses. So this can be done. Click on any value, on any data point, right click on it and exclude. 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 Again, activate the focus mode. Now, if you want to summarize this chart, this can be done. Right click on it, summarize. So it will give me the summary here. You can see. So the summary is consumer had the highest total sum of profit at this value followed by corporate at and the home office at. So this gives you the summary. We can also edit this summary with the help of this controls. So this was all about include and exclude feature in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.